This video tutorial explains how to create email account in Plesk control panel. Log into your Plesk control panel with the username and password provided to you. In the left pane of the Plesk panel, locate and click on the Mail option. This is the Mail Setup page, where you can create and manage your mail settings. To create a new email ID, click on the Create Email Address button. Here, you can enter the details for your new email address. Provide the email address, set a password, define email limits, and fill in any other required fields. Once done, click the OK button to proceed. Your new email address has been successfully created. You can find the webmail link here, which will allow you to send and receive emails.